God wants us to be faithful than being successful. My dear brothers and sisters, Jesus always insisted in his preaching as well as in his teaching the importance of being faithful. The parable of the faithful and unfaithful servants gives us an opportunity to introspect ourselves. When we look at the faithful servant, we can learn many things from his way of life. First of all, he knows the very heart of the master. That is the reason when even the master is away, he faithfully carries out his duties. Being faithful does not mean that we have to do extraordinary things. Rather, it is the sincerity of one's heart that matters in carrying out even ordinary things. Saint Mother Teresa tells us, God wants us to be faithful than being successful. Therefore, whatever task is entrusted to us, whether it is small or great, we should carry it out with all sincerity. When it is left to ourselves, we prove our own sincerity, our own honesty. When Master returns and when he finds us being faithful, it gives really delight, real joy to the Master. When we look at the unfaithful servant, we find a great difference. First of all, the unfaithful servant takes things for granted, takes things lightly, and he says, the master will come much later. There is plenty of time. Very often, the evil one uses this technique. It is his tool. He tells us, be cool, relax. And we listen to him and become a fool and being carried away by that temptation, and we take things for granted. We postpone our spiritual growth. We miss many opportunities. And the second thing that the unfaithful servant does is that he was abusing his fellow beings. When Master is away, when we unconnect ourselves from the Master, we act with arrogance, pride, and we don't respect people, we don't treat them as we ought. And the third thing that the unfaithful servant does is that he indulges himself in gluttony. It means he was enjoying the unlawful pleasures, passing pleasures. When Master is absent, we too have this kind of temptation to indulge ourselves in passing pleasures of the world. My dear brothers and sisters, when we introspect ourselves, we can see to which character we belong, whether it is to faithful servant or to the unfaithful servant. God gives us many opportunities to change ourselves. If we are faithful, if we live a life of grace, we will have always confidence and delight to face the Master. In Psalm 57:7, my heart is ready, O God. If we are faithful, any time when the Lord comes, we too can say, my heart is ready, O God.